Ashoka Group of Institutions. Welcome to Ashoka, the best institute in Hyderabad. Located near the industrial hub of Hyderabad, Ashoka Group of Institutions is among the top confederation of colleges in Hyderabad. With its emphasis on quality education, cutting-edge technology, multidisciplinary research, supported by best-in-class infrastructure, it has been diligently pushing the boundaries to become a top destination for professional education in India. A multidisciplinary institute affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad and accredited by NAC, offering diploma, BTech, MTech, BR and MBA.
Ashoka Institute of Engineering Technology established in 2009 with a group of academicians. We have highly qualified faculty from premier institutions in India and abroad. A wide range of academic opportunities that Ashoka Institute of Engineering Technology offers and find chance to really chase your dreams and with a passion. Teachers here have been carefully chosen and will make you feel comfortable not only in a classroom setting but beyond as well.
So Ashoka Business School has started past 5 years back, and we are very fortunate to have the campus in Hyderabad. Here we are going to nurture the students not only on education, we are preparing our students to have a corporate responsible citizen to the society. The students will not go with a regular mode. Here the teaching pedagogy is entirely different. The faculty in the Ashoka are equipped with the expertise in their different skills and also concentrating on the research area.
Salient features: 20 plus professors graduated from IIT, NIT, IISc, IIM with 20 plus years of rich experience.
So in our specialist department, we have 5 faculties, those are completed PhDs. In Maths, 2 faculties are completed, and Physics 2, and in English, one going to submit their thesis, and also in Chemistry also 1 faculty. So there are 5 members are regular PhDs completed, and 1 is going to submit.
Dedicated research and development centers to promote interdisciplinary research and innovation among students and faculties. Digital innovation system that integrates the cutting-edge technologies to help students to apply design thinking through A-Hub, Ashoka Innovation Cell for startups, internships and industrial collaborations.
Ashoka Institute of Engineering and Technology is equipped with highly set up research centers in all the departments. The projects from Ashoka R&D Cell are funded by many government and non-government agencies. Ashoka encourages the enlightening of students' knowledge through a number of workshops and seminars to which the industry academy innovative practices. Ashoka has established an incubation center named Ashoka Innovazi with a world-class standards to encourage business and startup managed by corporate, educational institutions and government agencies that provide environment for startups.
Where industry requirements is very important to the world. So based on that, we are training our students in the field of electronics and communication engineering by providing various internships and innovative topics on
industry-fitted learning through Industry 4.0 Lab powered by SAP with certification courses.
To provide more knowledge beyond the syllabus on particular concept, frequently we are conducting workshops, seminars, guest lectures for students and faculty development program for faculties in every semester.
Actually, when I joined in our institution 2017, our college department was established in the year of 2019. We have well qualified faculties and well equipped laboratories in our department. We have a research R&D department, well equipped. For example, some compressometers and universal testing machine.
Ashoka has a full-fledged integrated placement cell which invites the leading brands of the corporate world to campus every year. Reputed companies have conducted campus interviews and recruited students through the consortium. Summer internship for students from foreign universities. MOUs with IIT Hyderabad, NIT Warangal and other prestigious institutes in India and abroad for academic and research excellence.
To bring you the most exciting program, the first ever in the country, in India, the live classroom technology, which is right here at Ashoka campus, where you could do a master's program, which is UMass, one of the very, very famous brands, top hundreds in the world. They're number 26 in the world. You start your degree in India and you complete it in the US. It's a 1+1 program through live instruction. Live is exactly as if you would have studied it in the US. The classroom technology is created here, where US instructors will teach you as if you would have been in US.
For the first time in the history of technical education, our students are trained by experts for IAS, IES exams, along with their regular courses through Ashoka's highest standard IAS, IES coaching. Our supreme ambition:
the discipline of electronics and communications, engineering is the most dynamically changing and ever-evolving branch, and thus to make our students updated with the curriculum, we have a well-qualified team of faculty members that are very cooperative.
Our main objective is to provide quality education to our electrical and electronics engineering department students to achieve our department vision and mission. Our department has technical association named as WIRE, Wonders of Innovations of Rejoining Era, through which we are conducting various technical events like workshops, value-added programs and seminars.
World-class ICT-enabled and air-conditioned classrooms and seminar halls, state-of-the-art laboratories, advanced English communication laboratory with interactive software for communication skills enhancement.
And we are in the Department of Mechanical Engineering and R&D Center, Incubation Center, and we are having also that MTech PG program in machine design. So for submission of the project, our Viva was for the PG students.
Weekly grooming classes for personality development of the students. Cultural and technical programs in different categories are conducted for all-round development of the students. The Ashoka Library is a big repository of knowledge in terms of not only books, but also the latest digital-enabled facilities, including e-journals, audio-visual materials, CDs, projects, case studies, journals, etc., realizing the importance of games and sports as an integral part of learning. Ashoka has been involving all the students in some form of competitive physical activities.
We have well infrastructure for the sports and indoor sports and outdoor sports. We have very good physical director, is also a gold medalist. Our college encourages us to participate in different national level streams and university level tournaments. Recently, our college student, one of the participated in the international level wheelchair netball competition.
The Ashoka administration is committed to provide plenty of opportunities to students. Ashoka offers a superb boarding complex to its students. The rooms are well ventilated, elegant, cavernous and cozy. Cafeteria and canteen facility in campus that provides delicious and hygienic food to staff and students. Transport facility for students and faculty from almost all parts of Hyderabad and Nalgonda. Ashoka Global is initiated to offer international courses to the students in India. Currently, it has collaborated with University of Massachusetts Amherst for starting Master of Science program in Electrical and Computer Engineering in India and completing it in the US. The Ashoka's pillars of success are quality education that churns good results, discipline, overall development of personality and character, 100% placement records. For more details, visit www.ashoka.ac.in.